Okay, question number 1. The diagram shows a vertical section of the heart. This one, the heart. Okay. Name the blood vessels labeled A and C. Anyone? Come on, let's review together, yeah. A and C, let's take a look. Bentar. Aduh, ada yang baru masuk ya. A and C. So this part and also this part. Yeah. Okay. Anyone have any idea?
I think C is artery and A is vein.
Great. Artery. Okay. C is artery, A is vein. You said. Okay. Do you
Yeah.
still remember, right, the function of vein and artery?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is vein?
Vein bring blood back to heart, and then artery bring blood away from heart.
Away from heart. Great.
Mister, can you hear me?
Oh yes, I can hear you, Aiden.
Yes.
Great.
Pak mau izin ke toilet.
Silahkan. Good to see you again, Aiden.
Oh,
We are talking
good
about.
to hear you.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay. So we are now talking about the previous is questions. Yeah. So let's discuss together. Okay. Now, my question is, which one is the right side? This A or B? The right side.
A.
Okay.
The right side is A.
The right side is A. Okay. The B, so the B is left. Okay. So there are 4 chambers, right? This one, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, 2, okay, 3, and 4. Which one is the upper chamber and which one is the lower chamber?
Upper.
Upper is 1 and 3.
Yes,
One.
indeed. This one is upper, right? Okay, 2 and 4 is the lower. Okay. Now, my question: if the blood come from this direction, and where does the blood go? Still number 3, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2 or 1, 4 or 1, 3.
1, 2, I think.
Okay, Aiden, thank you. So 1, 2, yes, this direction, right? And then later on, through this direction. Okay. This one is from body. Okay. So this one is to
Lungs.
lungs. And you said, Dava, that the vein carry blood back to heart. But this part, unfortunately, carry blood away from the heart. So A is not vein. Sorry.
Is
A.
artery.
A is
Supposed to be artery. Yes, indeed. But what kind of artery? Artery to
Which? To brain.
Lungs.
yes. Or we call it as a pulmonary artery. Yeah? This is a medical terms for this. If you want to memorize this, okay. Pulmo means lungs.
Mister, both A and lungs. Sir. They both go to lungs. Yes, this one and this one.
Yes, that's only the brains. Because our lungs, we have 2 lungs, right? The right
Yes.
lungs and left lung. So that's why they branch into 2.
Okay.
Okay, great. So this one also to the lungs, 2 lungs. Okay. And then later on, after passing the lungs, our blood become oxygenated, right? I write the red blood, yeah. This one is from lungs. Previously, it was from body, yeah. Okay, so let's continue to discuss. And then from there, from the upper chamber to the lower chamber, right? And then through this part. Okay. A little bit convoluted ya, agak berliku gitu ya. Kalian tahu kayak flyover kan? Flyover tahu ya? Nah, ini tuh kayak gitu, kayak flyover ya. Jadi ini di bagian atasnya yang ini, Sedangkan yang di bawahnya, yang warna merah itu melalui kolongnya gitu ya, di bawahnya. Set, gitu. Bapak jelasinnya susah pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke. So what is she?
What is she? She is the what was
From
left upper chamber.
No, she. I mean the blood vessels.
A vein from
Vein.
lungs.
Vein. Oxygenated vein.
No, there is no oxygenated vein. Vein from
Lungs.
Vein
lungs.
from lungs.
Easy. Or we call it as a pulmonary vein. The only vein that carry oxygenated blood is pulmonary vein. Yeah. The rest veins, I mean other veins carry the oxygenated blood, but special only this vein from lungs carry oxygenated blood from lungs.
Oxygenated vein, mister.
Oxygenated, why? You ask why?
No, mister. I said oxygenated vein. So I was right.
Oxygenated when?
Yes.
When? When this blood being oxygenated? Like that?
No, mister. I didn't ask question. Okay.
Oh, you didn't ask question. You say for the statement. Okay, thank you. Okay, boys. So A is supposed to be artery to lungs, yeah, and C is supposed to be vein from lungs. Okay. How about other parts? Maybe we are going to talk about it later, yeah. Let's see other answer. Other question, sorry. Match one of the letters from the diagram with each of the following. Okay. Chamber which pump blood to the body organ. Chamber. Okay, it is asked chamber. Which letter?
Third one. Oh, fourth one.
Which one?
Fourth.
4?
Chamber number 4. This one.
Yeah, you mean E. This one, E.
E,
Okay, great. You still remember. Okay, A, yeah. This one, A. Next, blood vessel which carries blood to the lungs.
To the lungs.
To the lungs.
A.
This one.
Okay, this one. Thank you. Chamber which pumps blood to the lungs.
To the lungs.
To the lungs.
Lungs. Okay.
I think we should ignore this one, yeah.
A B.
Okay. Huh?
No.
Di F. Oke ya. Ini
Mister,
kalian
chamber itu apa sih, lupa?
yang mana?
Chamber. Chamber. itu
Chamber.
apa?
Oh, chamber itu artinya ruangan.
Oh iya.
Chamber itu artinya ruangan. Kita punya 4 ruangan jantung ya. Ruangan 1, ruangan 2, ruang 3, ruang 4 ya. This one we call as an upper chamber. Kayak ruangan. Ruangan itu ya apa ya? Chamber. Chamber. Ruangan, ya ruangan tahu ya. Suatu tempat yang kosong lah, gitu kan, diisi darah. And this part is the lower chamber. Oke. 1, 2, 3. Kita punya 4 chamber di jantung kita ya. Fishes or fish having only 2 chamber. And then what else? The frog. How can I draw the frog like this? Okay. Having 3 chambers.
Yes, sir, but how does their chamber system work?
Oh, the fish, you mean?
Yes, how does
Okay.
their heart?
Their heart is like this only. This their upper chamber. This is their lower chamber, only 2. So the blood comes to the upper chamber and then just continue to the lower chamber throughout the body, and then to the fins. Because they have no lungs, right? And then must go to the fins and then back to the heart. Fins mean oxygenated blood, right? The oxygen taken by the fish from the fins, from the water, right? And then back to the heart and again. So they have only two heart.
Why not one chamber?
Because it is separated. Okay. Separated by the valves as well. So it is called, it is ya disebut sebagai dua chamber begitu. And how about the frog, for example? They are having only 3 chambers, so that the blood, the deoxygenated blood, like this, they have only 3 chambers. The blood come from here, and then it will continue here, and then they also have lungs, right? Go to here, and then back to here. So the blood mix between oxygen and deoxygenated. So that's why they need another method of respiration, which is through their skin. Yeah. Or sometimes some of the amphibians are having gills. For example, salamander or newt,
Yes.
like this. Maybe the newt is like a dragon, like that. Yang kayak naga gitu loh punya. Maybe better if you search in the internet, ya, newt. Yeah. Anyway.
But Mr., if they have lungs, so why they're not lungs? If they have fins, why they're? Oh, you said lungs or fins?
Lungs, which one?
Okay.
Yes, they have lungs, but they need help from other respiratory methods, yeah, from their skin or their gills. Sorry, not fins, but gills. Newt itu dragon salandria. Iya, betul. Guess my name. Who is your name? Hey. Siapa nih guess my name?
Mulia.
Oh, oke, Mulia. Betul Mulia. Dragon salandria. Ini belum nih. A valve which prevents blood flowing back into other parts of the heart. Which one? The valve. Valve itu katup ya. Okay, thank you, Aiden. Which part? Which letter I mean?
Which letter? E.
Valve. Supposed to be D, right? Valve itu artinya katup, bukan vessel ya. Valve.
Valve.
Valve. This one. Ini adalah valve. Kalau kalian pernah main pinball, pernah kan main pinball? Pernah nggak? Nggak pernah.
Di game.
Ya, di game yang ada bolanya itu kan ya. Terus ada kayak gininya kan. Nah, valve itu mirip kayak gitu ya. Twing gitu kan ya, toing. Bapak bayanginnya kayak gitu ya. Valve itu bentuknya kayak gitu. Buka tutup dan sebagainya. It prevents the backflow. So, after the blood from the upper chamber move to the lower chamber, it won't go back to the upper chamber again. If they could, there will be the heart attack. There will be heart attack, yeah, or heart disorder because of this reason. The older people, their valves, if you can see here, there is like fibers or thread-like structure that keep the valves open and close. Ini kayak ada benang-benang tipis gitu ya. Thread. Kayak ada benang. Thread itu artinya benang. Nah, in older people, these threads getting loosened. Oke. Jadi kendor, akhirnya si katupnya itu tidak bisa menutup secara sempurna. So what happened? The blood that already in the lower chamber back to the upper chamber. It's called as heart attack. Okay, it's really hurt, boy, because if the flow of blood disrupted by this condition, the oxygen delivery, the delivery of oxygen will be disrupted as well. gitu ya. Jadi kayak ke delay ya. Berat kayak ada macet mogok, terus tiba-tiba ada mobil yang maksa ngelawan arus gitu kan ya. Akhirnya ngapain darahnya? Nggak maju-maju.
Oh,
Oke
you
ya.
have to fix their what was red.
Oke. Ya, the valves.
Pak, kenapa bisa terjadi serangan jantung, Pak?
Jadi barusan, oh iya, karena katupnya misalnya lemah, tadi Bapak jelaskan kan ya, serangan jantung. Atau tekanan darahnya terlalu tinggi, sehingga kalau tekanan darah tinggi kan ya, ketika darah masuk itu udah kenceng nih dari pos. Terus darahnya nggak beraturan gitu loh. Jadi akibatnya ada darah yang kembali lagi dan sebagainya. Darah kembali lagi sebenarnya kan satu arah jalannya, gitu ya. Tapi untuk orang yang kena serangan jantung biasanya karena darah tinggi, akibatnya darah yang harusnya satu jalur ya, malah ada yang balik arah gitu kan, seperti itu. Karena nggak beraturan, tekanannya sangat tinggi. Begitu. That's it. And many other causes ya untuk penyakit jantung. We are going to discuss about that later. Next, describe the relative oxygen content of the blood at points 1 and 2. Oh, okay. So points 1 and 2 also useful. What do you think? Number 1, this part oxygen contains oxygen rich blood or oxygen poor blood. Number 1.
Rich.
Indeed, because
Rich.
this is the left side, right? Must be rich. Okay, I give the color red, means rich oxygen. How about the number 2?
It's
Oxygen
Poor.
poor blood, right? Yes. This part also poor blood. Oxygen poor blood, which means the blood within this chamber is deoxygenated. The blue one, I mean. For the red one is oxygenated. Okay, please do not forget about this one. Gimana Bu? Ini memang agak rumit sedikit ya. Tapi insya Allah bisa lah ya. This one is the right part, this one is the left part. Jadi kalau kalian ngelihat gambar, kiri kalian itu adalah kanannya gambar. Kan kebalik gitu ya. Sedangkan tangan kanan kalian itu adalah kirinya gambar. Bayangkan kalian sedang melihat, imagine you see the picture of heart here, imagine you see the heart of your friends. Ya, kalian lagi berhadapan dengan teman kalian, terus kalian lihat jantungnya dia, pasti kebalik kan? Jangan sampai bingung ya, nanti which one is the right side, which one is the left side. Okay. 30 minutes, we just finish one question. But it's okay. It's really good for learning. Thank you very much for participating. Yeah, I think the time's already over.